Meet the Argentine ant Leinpithema humulae, a small yet incredibly resilient insect. Originating from South America's Parana River basin, this ant has a fascinating story. This tiny insect's journey began in a warm, moist region, shaping its survival traits. The lush environment provided ample resources, allowing the ants to develop unique adaptations. Preferring moist soil, they thrive near rivers and wetlands, building shallow nests. These nests are often found in areas with abundant water sources, which are crucial for their survival. In their native land, they faced competition and predators, keeping their numbers in check. Natural enemies and rival ant species played a significant role in maintaining the balance of their population. The global spread began with 19th century international trade. As global commerce expanded, so did the unintended movement of species across continents. Ships carried goods like coffee and timber, unknowingly transporting these ants. The bustling trade routes became highways for these tiny travelers. Hidden in soil and cargo, they embarked on an epic journey, leaving South America by accident. This unintentional migration set the stage for their eventual spread across the globe, making them one of the most invasive species today. Argentine ants have a remarkable social structure, forming vast supercolonies. These supercolonies are unlike anything seen in most other ant species. They span vast areas, sometimes covering hundreds of miles, and consist of millions of individual ants working together in perfect harmony. These interconnected networks house millions of ants, creating a complex and efficient system. Each ant plays a specific role, contributing to the overall success and survival of the colony. The tunnels they build are like highways, allowing for the smooth transport of food and resources, functioning as a single entity. The level of coordination and cooperation is astounding. Ants work together seamlessly, whether it's foraging for food, defending the colony, or caring for the young. This unity is what makes their colonies so resilient and successful. Unlike other species, their colonies have multiple queens, boosting reproduction. Queens cooperate, laying numerous eggs, ensuring rapid colony growth. This multi-queen system allows the colony to expand quickly and recover from losses more effectively. The queens work in unison, each contributing to the colony's future. Worker ants, all sterile females, perform essential tasks like foraging and nest maintenance. They communicate through pheromones, coordinating their efforts seamlessly. These chemical signals are crucial for maintaining order and efficiency within the colony, ensuring that every ant knows its role and duties. Unicoloniality means ants from different nests recognize each other, avoiding conflict. This unique trait allows them to form massive, cooperative networks without the usual territorial disputes seen in other ant species. It fosters a sense of unity and shared purpose. This cooperation allows them to dominate territories, sharing resources across supercolonies. By working together, they can outcompete other species and secure the best resources, ensuring their survival and continued growth. The Argentine ant supercolony is a testament to the power of cooperation and social organization. Argentine ants are masters of adaptation, thriving in diverse climates. They prefer Mediterranean-type climates like California and southern Australia. Their flexible diet includes sugary foods and other insects, aiding survival. In urban areas, they nest in man-made structures, adapting quickly to new environments. High reproductive rates and aggressive behavior help them outcompete native ants. Human activity aids their spread as they travel with commerce and tourists. Once in a new area, they expand rapidly, using transportation networks to advance. Argentine ants devastate native ant communities, dominating resources. They actively fight and displace native ants, reducing biodiversity. Their impact extends to other insects, altering entire ecosystems. Native plants suffer as these ants fail to perform beneficial roles. By protecting aphids, they increase pest damage on plants. This disruption affects larger animals like lizards and birds, dependent on native insects. The entire food web is thrown into disarray by these invaders. The Argentine ant is a major invasive species, causing significant biodiversity loss in many regions around the world. These tiny creatures have a massive impact on the environments they invade. They disrupt ecosystems by outcompeting native species for resources and can be a major agricultural and household pest, damaging crops and invading homes. Found on 6 continents, Argentine ants thrive particularly well in regions with mild winters, allowing them to spread rapidly and establish large populations. Controlling these ants is challenging due to their vast, interconnected supercolonies, which can span entire regions and contain millions of individuals. While chemical pesticides are commonly used, they have significant drawbacks, including environmental harm and the development of resistance. This has prompted ongoing research into more targeted and sustainable methods of control. The journey of the Argentine ant from its native South America to global dominance is a stark illustration of human impact on ecosystems, often through global trade and travel. Understanding the biology and behavior of these ants is crucial for developing effective management strategies. As their expansion continues, they remain a significant concern for biodiversity and ecosystem health worldwide.